Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and I'm back to pick the winner for my week 3 thankful giveaway. So I used the random comment picker and I have a little prize pack here. So the winner of this prize pack, chosen by a random comment picker, is Margaret Clevenger. So you need to make sure, Margaret, that you email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Please tell me what you won, and also make sure that you send me your complete address. I have a lot of people who've been leaving out parts of their address, and then I have to figure it out. So anyway, I don't know. People are so excited they forget, or we're so used to email and texting that we've forgotten about snail mail. I don't know, but whatever. So make sure it's the complete one. Just because when I go to the post office, it's just easier for me. The one I go to, they're like, I usually use the little automated machine if I go to the one by my house. But if I go to the one by my daughter's dance, that stupid machine doesn't take my credit card. It doesn't take any credit cards to have a chip in it. So it's just dumb. So I have to stand in line. Anyway, you're the winner. Yay. And so I have 2 unclaimed notebooks and goodies. So I picked 2 more winners for this because I basically gave the person a whole week, these people a whole week. So no worries on that. So the 2 winners, one is Crafty Paws, and the other is Angela from Angela Velasquez. So if you could email me at scoop71@yahoo.com, let me know what you won. And your complete address. I will mail these out to you next week. So these, you'll get one of these, either pumpkins or leaves, and one of these notebooks. And I will be having a new giveaway, my week 4 giveaway, because it's Black Friday weekend and it's the start really of holiday shopping and making and planning. Not that we haven't been doing it all along. I'm going to have a couple of giveaways this weekend. So make sure that you are watching and that you visit my channel. I'll also have tons of crafty projects all weekend. So my goal is to post 10 videos this weekend of crafty projects. We'll see how I do by Sunday. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later.